Hello guys, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Guys, be ready for a special dictation for Patna High Court Steno skill examination which is going to be held on 30 April 2022. 5 seconds. The Delhi High Court verdict upholding the allotment of the two leaves symbol to the AIADMK jointly led by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Iddappadi K. Palaniswamy and Deputy CMO Paneerselvam has come as no surprise. The Elections Commission's November 23, 2017 order had ruled in its favor based on the group's majority in its organizational and legislative wings. The claim of the faction headed by V.K. Sasikala, a confidant of the late Jayalalitha, and her nephew T.T.V. Dhinakaran to the party's name and symbol weakened after Mr. Palaniswamy and Mr. Paneerselvam, who were in rival factions earlier, decided to come together in August 2017. Since then, they have consolidated their position by getting Mr. Dhinakaran's loyalties among MLAs disqualified and outmaneuvering him in both the party structure and in court cases. Their unity was forged with the common aim of keeping out Sasikala, who was briefly elected interim general secretary of the AIADMK after Jayalalitha's death in December 2016 and her nephew. The court has ruled that the EC was well within its powers to apply the majority test and allot the symbol to the faction that had more members in the General Council and in its complement of MLAs and MPs. The court did not entertain arguments that the commission should have ruled against the Paneerselvam Palaniswamy faction because it had changed the party's basic structure by abolishing the post of general secretary, and the contention that the commission's order was vitiated by malice because it granted additional opportunities for filling affidavits, after which many ranged on their earlier statements on which group they belonged to. The Dhinakaran's faction has decided to appeal in the Supreme Court against the order that has set back his political fortunes. At the same time, it wants a common symbol to contest elections. Mr. Dhinakaran himself won a by-election to the assembly from the R.K. Nagar constituency as an independent with the pressure cooker symbol. Stop. सो गाइज ये एग्जैक्ट 322 वर्ड्स के डिक्टेशन थी। इसमें नाम्स भी हैं, चूँकि मैंने बोला आपको कल ही बोला है और पहले के भी डिक्टेशन में बोला है कि मैं सभी प्रकार के आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा ताकि आप जब एग्ज़ाम में बैठें तो आपको किसी भी प्रकार की कोई डर या भय या एग्जामोफोबिया एग्जामो प्रेशर की टेंशन ना हो कि मैंने इस तरीके का डिक्टेशन प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया। तो इसमें जो है खास करके इस डिक्टेशन में नाम है, तो होप सो, और मैंने नाम का आउटलाइंस भी आपको बना दिया जो कि आपको स्क्रीन पर नज़र आ रहा होगा। और मैं यही बोलता हूं कि जहां कहीं भी यदि नेम आए तो आप कोशिश कीजिए पूरा स्ट्रोक लिखने का, उसमें शॉर्ट मत लगाइए, ठीक है, फिर आप पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे। तो जहां भी नाम आए, नाम लिखने का यही रूल्स है इंग्लिश में कि बड़े बड़े नाम आ जाते हैं तो उनका पूरा का पूरा स्ट्रोक लिखा कीजिए, ठीक है। यदि आप शॉर्ट स्टॉक में पढ़ लेते हैं तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो पूरा का पूरा स्टॉक लिखा कीजिए। तो इसी नोट्स पे मैं इस वीडियो को समाप्त कर रहा हूँ। यदि आपको हमारे इन्फॉर्मेशन और डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहे हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और यदि आपकी कोई क्यूरीज और सेशन है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखिए। धन्यवाद। हेलो गाइस।